So I'm out here this morning taking mulch off of my seedlings because they're like, hey, it's still cold, so if you mulch it, it'll stay cold. We want it to be warm. Mulch it in a month when the temperatures are up. Sometimes you do things and then you have to undo them, and then you have to redo them, and then you have to just pivot and change the way you're doing things. I don't think this little seedling made it, so that settles that. I will be planting them in their place. Good morning. We had a light frost last night and I didn't mulch the plants, so we're gonna see how they fared. They are cold season plants. They're cold season plants, so they should be fine. Little icy seedlings. We've got Bo with us today. He is a heavy breather. Say hi, Bo. It's time for planting. What I'm doing is dipping the whole little thing into some compost tea to get them some nutrients right before putting them in the ground. It's flippin' windy, of course. Also, I'm burying them. I say also a lot. I'm realizing that when I'm filming myself. When I'm burying them, I've read that kale roots are okay being planted like deeper, so I've been taking these little things off so they don't rot and building the soil up. Little Ann, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. And building the soil up around, so hopefully that's okay. 8 o'clock, and it's quitting time. But we've got some cabbage. I decided to replace them that were dying, that didn't make it in the frost. Got some Swiss chard. I just watered them a little roughly. And then we've got some lettuce sprinkled in with our strawberries. Everyone still looks mostly alive. They got jostled around a bit. Today, my plants looked so fried. It was supposed to be overcast, but as you can see, the sun is shining with a small cloud in sight. So I'm discouraged. And then next week it's supposed to rain all week. So hopefully it doesn't drown my little seedlings if they survive the sun today. Poor Swiss chard. And of course it was windy again today, so put some shade cloth down to try and mitigate that. It's pieced together, you know, use what you got. All right, we are getting some rain today finally, and it was overcast, hallelujah, all day. So the plants had a moment to catch up. Some of them are still looking a little sad, but for the most part, we're bouncing back. Not sure if this shade cloth is necessary, but with them just being in the ground 2 days ago and rain coming for all week long, I just wanted something to break up the heavy drops. So that's what this is all about here. Also, I prepped this bed. I gotta stop saying also. I prepped this bed. This bed is prepped and ready to receive some more cold weather stuff, even though it's nice and warm. I planted fava beans in this bed that doesn't look like much right now, but the fava beans will do their job, break up everything, and fix the nitrogen, since all of the little wood chippy chips got mixed in there. Yeah.
So they have something to grip.
He's woken up. Do you notice all of that? You're only gonna find out when you get up, huh? So something that's not marigolds is growing in the marigold tray, which look awfully a lot similar to whatever's growing over here. Dahlias are up. Got a lot of fungus gnats, which is annoying because I'm trying to bottom water things. And look, the parsley germinated after all.